Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. I am so excited to share this new technique I've been playing around with involving fluid acrylic and spray paint. And it is just a magical thing to have discovered this bright gold spray paint. So let's get started. I'm starting with gold spray paint. I will put an exact link to the brand and type that I'm using in the description below for all of the products I'm using today. I'm going in with a Phylo blue that I've just thinned out and poured over the top corner. I'm now going in with a hot pink spray paint. And then in the spray bottle here is just water. So the water is just gonna help that acrylic flow down and create these drippy effects. I'm also using some Aqua. And I'm just gonna build layer upon layer in a way that only makes sense in my brain right here. I can't really explain sort of how to come up with a composition, but hopefully this will give you enough creative energy to try it out yourself and find what works for you. Another technique is to just squeeze the bottle and make little splatters like this. I'm also going in with a paintbrush just to kind of create some areas that are a little more subtle. It looks a little crazy right now, I will not lie, but stick with it till the end, I promise you. It'll be worth it. This is probably one of my favorite corners here is the hot pink color. It's neon pink actually over the corner, which is dripping down into the gold. I also have some white spray paint here. Please be careful when working with spray paint. Do this in a well-ventilated area. You'll see I'm wearing my mask as well, and I'll put a link to the one that I use in the description below. You should definitely take care of yourself and make sure that you're protecting your lungs when working with spray paint. So I'm sort of starting with dark colors over to the left and working towards the sort of bright neon corner. So the eye should flow that way. So the bottom left corner is going to be kind of darker, and then I'm going to go upwards towards the pink area with my eye. I also have some teal spray paint as well. Spray paint is super inexpensive. It's about $5 a can, so something kind of fun to play around with and a different change of pace for me. I also love to spray paint the side here with gold, and you'll see at the end how that gold really makes the side pop. So one side's going to be black and the other will be gold. Now going in with paint over that gold spray paint that I put down actually made the gold kind of fall down into the dark piece in the bottom, and it looked like I had actually put in some gold leaf or something like that. It ended up drying with a really shimmery effect that I really liked. And then once that dried, I just went in with a craft stick in some gold paint, top of dark colors, and then the dark color on top of light colors. That just creates a little added interest for this piece. Now I'm going to do a lot more videos with this gold paint. I'm actually going to do my next video, which is an experiment in doing an actual traditional acrylic pour over a canvas that has been spray painted with this gold paint, just to see how it works. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments below how you like this new technique. Well, that's all I have for today. I'll see you next time.